Praise the Lord. This is Lalita Shetty, and I'm here to testify how God has miraculously blessed me in my life throughout the year and in the previous year too. My first testimony is we were searching for a life partner for me since many years, but we were not able to find anyone. And one fine day, I registered myself on Jodi Matrimony app, which has been sponsored by Karuna Southern Ministries. And I was having this faith that maybe God will use this platform for giving me the suitable life partner which He has meant for me. And in one of the FPM services on 7th of February 2020, God has prophesied over my life. Pastor Michael Fernandez said that he's seeing me into a gown like thing, and he said that I will be having a big celebration by end of 2020.
Lalita, as I was just praying right now, I saw the Lord bringing something kind of a celebration in your life.
मैं देख रहा हूँ परमेश्वर को उत्सव ला रहा है तुम्हारे जीवन में.
I don't know you from Adam, okay?
मैं तुम्हें पहले से नहीं जानता.
Yeah. So there is like you're dressed in some gown or something like that. I do not know what it is, but it's like your thing is still here and all that stuff. I don't even know whether you wear all this stuff. The Lord is saying to tell you that there is going to be a celebration soon in your life.
And I would like to thank God that He has kept His promise, He has fulfilled His promise, and He has been very faithful for me. And I had been engaged by the end of 2020 with the same person whom I met on Jodi Matrimony app, and his name is Sumit Shettigar. And we got married on 16th of February 2021. I would like to thank God for His faithfulness, and He has been with us throughout the whole marriage preparation thing and the whole procedure and whole function thing. And we didn't face any financial issue. We didn't face any problem during our marriage preparation. So I would like to thank God that God has helped us in all the way. My second testimony is even this pandemic situation wherein people are losing their jobs and they're not having the jobs in their hand and they're not getting the salaries. God has blessed me with a job, with a good job and with a good salary. Till now, I'm still having the same job. I was not affected with any of the pandemic issues and any of the pandemic crisis. God has been so faithful to me that He has given me an increment in my job, and He has given me the appreciation through my seniors, which has been a really big blessing for me. And I would like to thank God for His faithfulness again. And I would like to thank Pastor Michael Fernandez for praying for each and every one of us and constantly encouraging us through his sermons and through his words and through his messages. We want to thank our Karuna Southern Ministry team as well for being so supportive through the Jodi app and through the WhatsApp and being always there whenever we needed this support. So this is my testimony. I would like to thank God for giving me a testimony in my life.